If you ever needed to use a voiceover and didn't want to use your own voice or pay for a voice actor, you can now generate AI voices in Elevenlabs. So what you're going to hear next is an AI voiceover for an onboarding video for a transport company.
Welcome to ABC Warehouse, and congratulations on joining the team. This onboarding video is designed to help you settle in and feel confident in your new role by introducing how we work, what's expected, and the safety practices that guide us every day. At ABC Warehouse, everyone plays a role in creating a safe and supportive workplace, and support is always available if you need it. We're excited to have you with us and look forward to working together.
By the end of the video, I'll show you how you can use the online library to select the right voice, as well as tips on how to create the script, as well as to fine-tune the voice to generate the voiceover for your training material, presentation, as well as video. Okay, so I'm just going to jump over to their website and click login. Now, if you don't already have an account, you can click sign up, and I'll include a link in the description below. And once you've logged in, you land on the main dashboard. So over on the left, click on text to speech, type in or paste your script directly into this text box here. Now, before pasting your text into Elevenlabs, here are some quick tips. So don't just paste any raw text here. Make sure you turn it into a spoken script first. Now, most written content is designed to be read, which is why it sounds a little bit robotic when it's converted straight into audio. So the key here is when you're using spoken script, make sure that you use short sentences, natural pauses, and conversational language in a way that you would explain something to another person. So take the extra time to rewrite your text, or use any large language model such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to rewrite it so it sounds more natural when you're converting text into audio. Oh, by the way, my name is Juliana and I work in the corporate communications space, and I use AI tools like Elevenlabs to scale up my corporate communication. On my channel, I share practical AI tutorials on how professionals can use AI at work. Now, if this is something that you're interested in learning more about, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel where I'll share more tutorials like this. So in this video, I'm going to be using a short script as an example of a welcoming onboarding video for ABC Warehouse. So here I've got a natural conversational voiceover script that uses short sentences, natural pauses where someone would breathe or emphasize a point, and I've avoided any formal or written language and tried to make it sound like a human was reading out loud. Now to change or select your voiceover, select the voice here, and now you can scroll down and have a look at the different voices that's available in Elevenlabs. So depending upon your use case, Elevenlabs has a number of different accents, tones, and styles. So here we've got a voiceover for Cassie, which is a crisp, direct, and clear voiceover, and ideally it's when you want to portray a confident female podcaster. Now for our use case for our onboarding video, we want it to sound confident, friendly, and as I'm based in Australia, I want it to be an Australian accent. Now if you're based in the US, UK, or other countries, and you want it to localize it to your local language, you can go through the voice library and select the accent as it applies to you locally. Now, at any time, if you want to listen to a sample of the voiceover, just click on the play button.
My voice is best suited to informative, educational, or children's content, and adaptable for commercial voiceover depending on the topic.
Dreams come true. Without that possibility, nature would not incite us to have them.
So while they're both good in terms of a realistic voiceover, it's not actually going to work for my use case in terms of an onboarding video. So for my use case, I'm going to pick this one here. So it's an Australian male voiceover who is friendly and professional. So let's just have a quick listen.
This is a warm and natural Australian voice, clear, friendly, and easy to listen to.
So for now, let's just click on it. And now let's just click on the model. And then I'm just going to select the Elevenlabs Multilingual version 2 as the large language model. And now you can fine tune your voiceover. So here we can change the speed, the stability, similarity, as well as the style exaggeration. So I'm just going to leave the speed as it is, but for stability, I'm going to increase this from 50% to 70%. So this just means that when you generate or regenerate your voiceover, it just keeps it more consistent each time you generate a voiceover. And for similarity and style exaggeration, I'm just going to leave it on the default option. So once you've entered in your script, selected the voiceover, as well as adjusted any of the settings, you can now hit generate to generate the voiceover. And now let's just have a quick listen of the voiceover.
Welcome to ABC Warehouse, and congratulations on joining the team. This onboarding video is designed to help you settle in and feel confident.
Okay, so it's probably not the best option in terms of this particular voiceover, as it sounds a little bit monotone, and I want this to be an upbeat onboarding video. So let's just select a different voiceover. So here I'm just going to select Mark and select Regenerate.
Welcome to ABC Warehouse, and congratulations on joining the team. This onboarding video is designed to help you settle in and feel confident in your new role by introducing how we work, what's expected, and the safety practices that guide us every day. At ABC Warehouse, everyone plays a role in creating a safe and supportive workplace, and support is always available if you need it. We're excited to have you with us and look forward to working together.
So he's actually quite confident and friendly, which is the vibe that I'm going for. And now you can always experiment with the script or settings. And then when you're happy with the result, you can click on download to download your audio file. So my biggest tip would be when you're actually writing your script, just make sure that you're actually writing it as if you're talking to someone. So include short sentences, natural pauses, and conversational language. This just makes it sound a lot more natural. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Elevenlabs and want to give it a try, I'll include a link in the description below. Now, in the meantime, if you'd like to learn more about how you can create a realistic AI clone of yourself, check out the next video here, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.